So it's part 2. This is part 2. Today I'm gonna be playing 99 Nights in the Forest again. Yes! I'm a camper, guys, so that means I have a flashlight. Okay. Okay. I'm also videoing, bro. He says he's on live, and I'm on YouTube. We're both YouTubers. chill. Bro, get away from him. Oh my gosh. Bro, what is he doing? He's stuck under now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can deal with that, dude. Fishing. Guys, I'm literally going like, I'm trying to go speed run because I wanna be friends. Can I be friends with this dude? Can I be friends with this dude? OMG. Guys, OMG, I'm just getting a lot of fish. Let me see if I can unlock the level 2 fish. Oh my gosh, guys. Level 2 fish. Come on, level 2 fish. OMG, I got the salmon. Yeah! OMG, I just got it. I never got this lucky before. Did he not see my text? I said I'm live too. See? I said I'm going live too. OMG, 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 OMG. Yes, yes, yes. Got some salmon. There's some fish. I'm going live too. I'm really stoned. I don't care about that scene. I don't care about that scene. So thank you. Don't care about this chair. You can use this chair. Maybe I can sit on this chair. Oh, I can't sit on this chair. Does he even know what the chairs do? You can put the chairs in the fire. Oh no. He has died. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Got him, got him, got him. Gotcha, bro, gotcha. Gotcha, 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 gotcha. Gotcha, 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 bro. Gotcha, 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 gotcha. Gotcha, bro. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Oh my gosh, bro. Don't go far. Don't go far. 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 Don't go far. don't go far. Okay. I'm on stream. Like, I'm on live. I need fish. I'm on live. Yes! Guys, this is another night. Part 2. This is a part 2. More fish. Is this enough fish? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, this is enough fish, guys. Oh yeah, old radio and also. Hey, gimme! Oh my gosh. 20. I forgot to put it in the grinder, guys. I'm on live. OMG! Did anybody? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Where are ya? Oh dear, where are ya? I said, oh dear, where are ya? Oh dear, where are ya? We have so many food. Nom, nom, nom. 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 I ain't buying yo. I ain't dying yo. I ain't dying, y'all. I'm dying. I ain't dying. I'm A W Riz. Where's the dude on live? Oh, here, there he is. He's on live still. What? Guys, I'm kind of like a pro, so I know what I'm doing. So please don't gentleman me. You're not even a president. Got it, now I'm not stuck. No! He's dying? Why is he dying, bro? He keeps dying and dying. I'm going to Broy. If he died, that means there's something killing him. Did he say? Where? Oh, he died of the alien? Or he died for nothing? Oh my gosh. He died from the aliens. No! I ain't killing the aliens, y'all. Hehe. 951. Yeah. No! I ain't dying. He's there. I'm going there. I'm running. Yay. Yes. There's still cultists alive. I'm hiding. Guys, I'm hiding. I'm scared. Oh guys, I'm hiding. I'm scared. No! I'm scared. Help me, guys. Oh, guys, I'm scared. I don't think I'm gonna make it. OMG. Are they dead? Are they dead? OMG. Can somebody help me?
Ipis yun, ipis.
I'm in the fish house.
Damit ka mo. Pantalong ka muna.
I'm at the fishing home. I'm at the fishing home. Just help. Just help. Just help.
Sige. Kasi kang bili niya. Kasi kang kasama.
Oh. Come.
Higa na, higa. Tulog mo.
Bro, why? Why? Bruh. Why did they didn't care about me? I'm dead. I'm dead.
Higa mo. Sige, mahiga ka na. Doon ka muna. Pagkain ka muna.
Okay.